This is the Yookers EROS pin. If you've looked into the Yookers brand at all, you'll have already heard it said that they offer the first refillable felt tip pin that uses standard ink cartridges, which is a fun addition to the pin lineup in the pin world. This one comes in a white sleeve. You pull it off, it just has your basic pin identification right there. And then it comes in a nice, very thin square box with the Yookers name. Let me open that up, just lift it off the top. Comes with your pin information here. Actually an entire sheet full of basic how-tos, maintenance tips. Comes with your pins secure and set right in there. And then a converter here. Okay, yeah. So if you wanted to use a converter here, that's where you'll find that. But, so that stays there. Your pin, this is the Yookers EROS. This is the one in yellow lacquer. There's multiple colors available. I like the textured finish there. If you can see, it's almost like it has vertical lines all along the pin. And in the vertical lines, it just gives it a darker finish in those lines. So I like the look of that. And then it has the silver colored trim with just a traditional clip here. The closure is magnetic, which is a new addition from Yookers. So this is their, if I remember right, this is their first magnetic cap pin. Oh, it works quite well. It also has a magnetic posting feature, which is great. So if you're interested in trying out a rollerball type pin that has a felt tip, this is a good choice. And also you can choose the tip size. It comes in a 0.8 or a 1.0, 1.2, and also, as I said, the multiple colors. So this is the latest, one of the latest releases from Yookers. If you're interested in finding out more, visit pinchly.com.